Alright everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al, and got a challenge lock from Bearsback called Clicker, so let's give it a click. Don't have it in the vise yet, but I have not tried this yet. I just got this one out of the package. It is called Clicker by Bearsback. Oh, there's the bitting on the key. Doesn't look too horrifying, but I know Bearsback knows how to make a hell of a lock, so ooh. Okay, it felt a little stiff there, but it does work fine. Well, works fine counterclockwise. Okay, there it goes. All right, so we already know we're in for a little bit of trouble there. Yeah, he's one of those guys. I mean, he knows he can make them. He can make a fun lock. He can make a terrifying lock. And he can put both of those in a bowl and mix them around and come up with a fun, terrifying lock, if there's a such thing. Let me come down a little bit. And we can go like so. And come in a little bit. That better? Oh, that'll work. Get too technical here. Let's see what we got. Let's see if that'll fit in top there. Yeah, fits pretty good. He also gave me some music wire to make some tension wrenches with, but I have not got around to that yet. We do have a I don't know when this will get posted, but as of right now we got a 3-day weekend coming up, so I'll be doing some tinkering. I just got me a new mini lathe to make pins with too, so I'll be playing with that. Alright, let's see what we got. Get a little feel for it real quick. I've got a couple binders. Yeah, we got more than one binder. Okay, we're gonna have to take a guess here. One springy. Let me see. One. I want to say it's 3. Got a little. Well. Okay, that one feels horrifying. I don't know if that's good or not. Let's keep going. We'll see. Got I want to say 4. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like a 5-pinner, according to the grub screws in the top. So this would be 4, I think. Oof. Yeah, I don't think that's good. That thing's crunchy, boy. 5. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm setting those. I think it's just well. Yeah, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, oof, 5, 4, 3, 2. Huh. Let me try this other pick here, another Sparrow's pick with a slightly deeper hook. And 1 feels stuck like Chuck. 2. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know about that. I think 3 is a little bit high. 4. Huh. Yeah, this thing's locked up, boy. No pun intended, it is a lock, but I mean it's seized. No feedback whatsoever. Yep. Back off a little bit here. I must have overset something right off the bat. Two, 3, 4. Huh. Must be overset. There's something really cool in here, I'll tell you what. It's got me puzzled. It's either they don't move or they jump all the way up. think the trick to this one is maybe going backwards. I don't know, I'm not feeling any feedback whatsoever. This thing's dead. It's not talking to me. Nothing. Oof. Horrifying. Scary. Huh. Okay. Got me stumped. There it goes. Golly. I'll tell you what, man. That thing was freaking awesome. Golly, Bearsback. I don't know what's in there, but that was badass. Alright, I think it's just stuck on the vise, so we'll take that out and we'll go like this. Fair enough. Golly. I mean, that thing was like zero feedback almost. Just epic. Absolutely epic. Alright, let me go like this. Tighten it down so it doesn't fall. Grab a beautiful pinning tray from Bobby Keys. We centered pretty good. We're about right there. Okay. Looks like a couple screws. We got a key so I can lock it back up. Golly, that's a badass lock right there, man. Wow. Wowee. Okay. Bada boom, bada bing. Don't fall out. Oh, it's locked. Okay. No, that felt really tight in there, so I don't know if we're gonna get a shim in that. I'll give it a shot, but very tight. Maybe I can roll it. There we go. Not too bad. I don't know if that's in there good, but we'll find out. Let's see. Pins are going to be over there, hopefully. Man. Very tight. Okay, we popped out the first key pin, no problem, it's right there. Oh, it's a two-piece key pin. Check that out. Popped right off. See that? Hopefully it picked that up. We'll get to it, but that was a two-piece key pin in number one. See if I can keep them in there. Wow, no wonder, man. That is epic. Okay, let's get them. We're still good over here? Yep, alright. Yep, epic. Let me get them laid out real good here. Yep, another one. Wow. Fantastic, brother. Okay, so that goes, it's got to go, oh man, at the top. So one of these ends is rounded off and I can't even tell. Okay, it's got to go that way. And then that goes that way. This one goes this way, and that's a two-piece. Okay, we got it. Alright, and on the core, my pointer, where's it at? I'll use this. On the core we've got threading in 2, 3, and 5. And it looks like 1 and 4 are standard. So threading in 2, 3, and 5 on the core. See if we can pick that up. Alright, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See what we got upstairs. My goodness gracious. Where we at? Back here. Okay. Yeah, I'll tell you what, man. Oh, standard in 1. That's a surprise. Surprise, surprise. Alright. It's a little copper spring. Where am I at? It's not popping. There it goes. Looks like serrated in number 2. Another little copper spring. Set it over there. 3. 3 is a long one. Won't stop coming out. I'm trying to keep it upright. Very serrated. Number 3. These springs don't want to come out of there. Number 4 is looks like a very short standard. And a different spring, a steel spring it looks like. And where are we at? 4, so 5. Looks like a serrated. I guess it went that way. It's more serrated on that end, so that'd be my guess. And another spring. And a copper. And we got, yeah, threading in, let's see, let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything's threaded in the Bible. Ooh, okay, let's put this up here like that. Take a close up on these badass pins. That was an epic freaking lock. I really like that one. Again, that was Clicker from Bearsback. Thank you so much, Bearsback. Let's do something like this. Let me get this light back here like so. And we can just do this. Alrighty. As you can see, that tripped me up pretty damn good. 2-piece key pin in number 1. Kind of like a, well, yeah, 2-piece with a, looks like a really sharp cap on the top of it. So that was jacking me up. This one looks like a 1-piece. Yeah, it's just really nicely serrated right here. Whoops, in number 2. Number 3, serrated at the top. 4 is another one of those 2-piece key pins. That was a key pin here. So this part, obviously it can separate and float around there. And 5 serrations, and it looks like it might have a reduced top. It's hard for me to see it, but it is serrated. And then the driver, standard in 1, serrated in 2, serrated in 3. Yep, serrated in 3. 4 is a standard, and then another serrated in number 5. And we got some copper springs. Looks like a steel one in number 4. Absolutely freaking epic. I really like that one. Kicked ass. Look at those pins. Very well done too. I started making some 2-piece pins, and I'll tell you what, it's a treat. A lot of work goes into that. If you haven't made one, there's a lot of work. Well, to make them right like that, to make them that good, that's a lot of work. Okay, man. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for watching, and Big Al signing off.